Okay. All participants, please type yes. So then I will start today class. Okay, thank you. Now you are ready. So all participants, first of all, I want to say welcome in batch 39 demo session. Now today in our class, we will learn how to install R and R Studio and why R is important and what is the difference between R and R Studio. So all participants, please open Google Chrome. In first step, we will install R and R Studio. So all participants, please open Google Chrome or any browser which are you are using in your country. I am using Google Chrome. So all participants, please open Google Chrome and type R CRAN and search. You can see a page showing download R 4.4.04 window. It is the latest version of R. So first you need to open this page, download R 4.0.04 window. I am also sharing the link of this website within group so that our other participant can also use this website link. So all participants, please open this website and type done within chat. Please, if you have opened this page, type done within chat. Then I will move to next step. Please use Zoom chat instead of WhatsApp. All participants, please open Google Chrome and type rcran and search. You will get a page named Download R 4.4.04 window. Click on this button, Download. You will get our download link and click on OK and start downloading. All participants, please download this app and type done with download done. Then I will move to next step. All participants, please download this app and type download done within chat. Now I have successfully downloaded this app. All participants, please type done and or you can type download done. I have done download process, download done. So all participants, please type download done when you have complete downloading process. Okay, 2 participants have done this step. No. Now we move to next step. In next step, open this app. Click on open, or double click on your app where you have saved this R programming app. It show you message like this. When you double click on this setup or on this software or on this app, you will get a message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your devices or to your device or for Windows 4.4.0 setup? So no, we want to install this app. So you need to type yes. Click on yes button. When you click on yes button, it will show you another page showing select the language to use during the installation. So we want to use English. So click on English and press OK button. After pressing the OK button, you will get another page. This page show you the information about R and copyright of R programming. Now, if you want to read, you can read. Otherwise, you need to just click on next button. So click on next button. It shows you where you want to install. You don't need to disturb this point or need to change location. Use default C programming, so on. So you don't need to change this location. This is by default, and for installation, you always need C drive. So continue with the default setting. Click on next button. Again, next button. Again, next. Again, next. And again, next button. You just need to type next and next and next button. You need to click on next, next and next button. You don't need to do any changes, just apply next button and your installation will done successfully. Now I have done installation successfully, completing the R for Windows 4.4.0 setup wizards. Setup has finished installing R for Windows 4.4.0 on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcut. Click on Finish to exit setup. So just click on Finish button. No, I have successfully installed this app. So all participants, please type installation done when we have done this step. Now I have installed this step. So all participants, please type done installation when you done this step. I am waiting for all participants. So when you type done, then I will move to next step. Okay, if you already have done this, you need to check, Dr. Assam, you need to check, please. It is R 4.4.0 or another version. Please confirm, check and confirm it is 4.4.0 If it is not 4.4.0, you need to install it again. Okay. Now come on your desktop. You will get an icon on your desktop like this. It show you R 4.4.0. Click on this app, double click on this button. You will get a page showing that R 4.4.0. It's showing the version R 4.4.0 updated on 24 April 2024. So all participants, please confirm you have updated and latest version of R 4.4.0. All participants, please open RStudio and just confirm it is working or not working. When you successfully have opened, it means it is working. And if you showing some error, you need to do some changes. So Dr. Isam have 4.3.1. Dr. Isam, you need to upgrade it as 4.4.0. You can see in my screen, the latest version is 4.4.0. So you need to install it again without uninstalling 4.3.1. You just install and then let me know. I will update your R after installation. Okay, great. Now we need another tools name RStudio. So all participants, please open again Google Chrome. Come on Google Chrome and just type RStudio download and type RStudio download. All participants, please open RStudio and just type RStudio download. And click on RStudio desktop, the first website showing poised. This is the genuine or official website of RStudio. This website show you two programs, two apps, two tools, two softwares. One is R and second is RStudio. The question should be arise in your mind. These websites have two tools, R and RStudio. Then why we install R from RCran and RStudio from Poist? The reason behind this is here the version of the R is oldest, 3.6.0, while the latest version of R is 4.4.0. So we don't need to install oldest version. So ignore this app. Come on, second portion of this website, that is install RStudio. Click on download RStudio desktop for window, because here is the latest version of RStudio. You can get or you can see in at the bottom of this download button, released on 11th May 2024. So it is the latest version of RStudio you are getting here, or you can download from this button. So click on download RStudio. Now click on download RStudio and start downloading. It show me 2 minutes, but it may be show you different times according to your internet speed. Maybe it will install within few seconds, or it may take 5 to 10 minutes. So I already have this app. So all participants, please download and type done within chat. I it's showing me just 4 seconds. Hopefully, you have also near to downloading. If you have done installation, no, I have done the installation process. Sorry, downloading process of RStudio. RStudio download. Now I have successfully downloaded RStudio, and hopefully you will also be able to download this app just within few seconds. I am just waiting for you are done. So please type done and let me know. And then I will move to next step. Just one participant have typed done. I am just waiting for your all participants reply. Okay, and thank you. Now you need to open this folder. Click on open button, or you can double click on your file where you have saved this file within folder or within your PC. No, it's showing me. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Type yes. Welcome to RStudio setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of RStudio. So, if you want to read. Otherwise, you just need to click on next button. Again, you don't need to disturb anything. And this is by default. You don't need to change its location. Just click next button, install button. Now your application is in process of for installation. So when your installation complete, type done within chat. Yes, Dr. Isam, you need to install both applications R and RStudio. First install R, and then you need to install RStudio. Okay. Now, all participants, please confirm your RStudio is working or not working. Click on Finish button and close R programming, and just click on refresh your PC. You don't need to restart. Just refresh or click uh, refresh button, and come on your screen search bar, your window search bar. You can find it at the bottom of your PC or laptop with start button. Here is a start button, and with the start button there is a search bar or search box, search button. Click on this button. You will get a list of installed packages. If you not found, you need to click on the search bar and type RStudio. When you type RStudio, you will get RStudio icon and showing that RStudio app. So click on this RStudio app. Okay. When you open RStudio, you will get a page like this. This is your RStudio. Uh, all participants, please let me know. Are you hearing me? Okay. Please let me know. Have you can you seen these four screen in your RStudio? Okay. Now, in my case, I have four screens, but maybe you have three screens like this, or maybe you have four screens. Some participants may have three screen, or some participants may have four screens. So if you have four screen, please type 4. If you have three screen, please type 3. All participants, please. If you have four screen, type 4. If you have three screen, type 3. Okay. If you have three screen, you don't need to worry. Just click on maximize button. Here you will get four screen. Again click three screen. Again click on this button. And you will get four screen. No. You have two tools. First is R and second is RStudio. I installed latest version of R 4.4.0, but it is showing me 4.4.3, 4.2. Dr. Isam, kindly check in screen number 2. Within console, you have 4.3.2 or 4.4.0. So all participants, please confirm again. In your screen number 2, you have in console. Here is a console. This is the console area, and here is the your R programming version name. So check. It is showing R 4.3.2 or latest version of R 4.4.0. Although we have installed latest version of R, but it is showing us 4.3.2. No, you need to update. You need to update this. If you have 4.4.2, you need to update. So please, all participants, for upgradations, follow these instructions. So come on screen number 1. Here is a button named Tool. Click on Tool button. Click on Tool button. Here is a last option is Global option. Click on Global option. After clicking on Global option, you need to click on R session or version change. Click on Change button, and you can find the version you have installed. No, my latest version is 4.4.0. Click on 4.4.0 or select and click OK. No, apply. Again OK. No, restart your R Studio. When you restart and after restart or reopen, you can see the version is no latest 4.4.0. So all participants, please confirm, have you updated this version or not? If you are facing an issue, you can also share your screen. Now, Dr. Isam, please let me know. Have you done this step? Okay. Now today our first class is how to install R and RStudio. And what is R? R actually is a programming language. R is a programming language in which we write a script, a code. So R is a programming language. This language is for multiple purpose. You can use it for data analysis, web development, or other tools or other packages and for other purpose. So we in this training we will learn R for data analysis. So what is RStudio? RStudio is the IDE. R is a language, IT language, computer language, while RStudio is IDE. What is IDE? IDE means Integrated Development Environment. What is Integrated Development Environment? If you can see on your screen, in my screen, here it show that RStudio used by million of the people weekly. The RStudio Integrated Development Environment is a set of tools built to help you to be more productive with R and Python. So you can use it for R and Python. So, but we have no basic idea what is mean by ID. I want to explain just very simple example. Let me share my whiteboard. Okay. You can see a whiteboard. For example, there is a car. and there is another car. It is car A and car B. And this car have an engine. For example, car A have a engine, but car B don't have engine. Car A have engine and car B don't have engine. If I ask you, please drive car A from point C to D, can you drive this car? Yes or no? Please type message within chat. Yes, you can drive because this car, or although this is not furnished and not according to our requirement, but it have engine and it can work or we can drive this car. So it is in working conditions. Although it have no body, no safeguard or any other things which protect us from environment and other things. So why? If I ask you, please drive second car, can you drive this? No, because it have no engine. So, for example, if we consider R is a car A is R and car B is R studio. This is the engine. You can see engine can work without frame. This is the engine and this is the frame. Car A is engine, car B is a frame, just frame. You can see engine can't work, engine can work without frame, but frame cannot work without engine. So if we took this engine within this frame, then you can drive this car. So this is the IDE. IDE mean frame where you can run your R's programming or programming car or R car. So this is the IDE. IDE. You can, this is the engine, R is the engine, and this is the IDE, or you can say it is the frame of your car. So similarly, R is the engine and R studio is the frame of car. You can run R without frame, but you can't run R studio without R. So you need to run R studio with the help of R. Actually, within R studio, R is working. R is working. So hope know you have get an idea what is the difference between R and R Studio. R is the basic engine of the car or programming, while the R Studio is the framework of this car. Okay. Now, today our first class and our topic was how to install the R and R Studio and what is the difference between R and R Studio. So in our next class, because this class is also as a demo class, so in our second class we will work further on which package we will use in our next classes. We use R or we use R Studio and what is the basic structure or introduction of this R four screen of these are how these four screen work and what is the work of screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3 and screen number 4 in our next class. So today was demo, so it is for 45 minutes. So in our tomorrow class, it will be for 1 hour. If you have any further questions, I have opened a WhatsApp group for chat. You can ask any questions within chat for 15 minutes, or you can even you can later you can ask any questions within WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.